starting with the first period of the lesson, measurement, we are going to build the concepts of measurement and weight. As mentioned in the previous video, with the concept of weight, students will be able to make comparisons between heavy and light. As you may recall, we are going to implement the zero investment innovative idea of concept explanation to build these concepts. Wondering how will we implement this idea? Here comes the fun part. We are going to play the game of pittu, also known as the game of 7 stones, with our students. But before we begin, let's make sure that we have all the required materials ready with us. We will need 2 balls that are relatively lightweight and a scoreboard and 14 flat stones. Now, let's look at how we're going to play the game. The rules of this game have been modified to make it easier for our students. So, here we go. Once we have the 14 stones ready with us, divide the class into 2 groups. Next, provide 7 stones to each group and ask each of them to create a tower. 1 tower per group will then be created using all 7 stones. Both the groups will then try breaking each other's towers by throwing the ball. After this, the groups will have to rebuild their towers in the way it was before. The group which completes building their tower first will get 2 stars. The game will then be repeated until each group finishes 5 chances to play. So now that we're clear with the rules of the game, let's get started. Begin by informing the students that they will be playing a few games throughout this lesson. Inform them that first, we're going to play a game called pittu. We will then divide the students into 2 groups, Group A and Group B. Since this is an outdoor game, ask all the students to line up so that we can take them to the school playground. Ensure that they walk in line and do not push each other on the way to the playground. Are you ready to start with this fun game? Stay tuned for it in our next video.